his boots on and jacket on and hats on. So then Carlos picked his umbrella and walked away and tiptoed when his father is sleeping. So then Carlos' father woke up and saw Carlos. And Carlos said, "Hey, little Carlos, where are you going with the umbrella? To the rainforest, Papa, to see some cool animals." So Carlos decided to see some tree frog, a quetzal, a kinkajou, a monkey, and a jaguar. Carlos picked his umbrella and walked away. When he got over there, there was no sound, anything in the rainforest. Carlos decided to climb up into the tree. So Carlos put down the umbrella and started to climb. So the tree frog just hopping around in the pond. Look, he was so happy that he just hopped into the umbrella. And the tree frog said, "Wow, this is the good place for me to rest, hopping around, and start playing, and no one is ever coming to my new home." So the quetzal just fly all around the trees. It just spot on the ground is the green umbrella. So it just lead down to the ground. And the tree frog saw the quetzal, and the tree frog said, "Hola, you have a beautiful feather, just twinkling like a star." And then the quetzal said, "Oh, thank you. You're a wonderful gentleman." So then the quetzal said, "Oh, can I please live in here, please? I will get into trouble this time. I won't send any animals in your own house." "Okay, but no more animals." The just crawling along, looking for his mommy. The kinkajou spot on the green umbrella, and the kinkajou said, "Wow, that's where I'll hide over there, or maybe I could sleep to them." The kinkajou just crawled along. So then when the kinkajou soon got over there, then the tree frog said, "Wow, you are a little baby animal. What are you?" And the kinkajou said, "Why, I am a kinkajou. Why didn't you think of that?" So then the monkey just swing along to find his only play now. He doesn't like the vine. It's super light and super not real. So then the monkey spot on the underground a green umbrella, so that he lead them super fast then the umbrella rolled down into the hill. So then the tree frog said, "What did you do? You put us into the river. You will not go into our new home." So then the monkey said,